In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in real time in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share a sheet so teammates can edit alongside you, see changes instantly, and keep your data moving without back and forth attachments. Start by opening your Google Sheet and looking to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Share button. Click it to open the sharing window. This is the control center for who can get in and what they're allowed to do. If your file is new or private, you'll typically see that access is restricted, which simply means only the people you explicitly allow will be able to open it. Next, set the proper level of access for the people you want to collaborate with. You'll see an option to choose a role for them. Select Editor. This role lets collaborators add and edit content, format cells, insert functions, and make structural changes like adding sheets. If you're unsure, think of Editor as full collaborative access. For context, viewer can only look, and commenter can leave notes without changing the data. Giving editor access is powerful, so use it when you trust the collaborator to make changes directly. If you ever need to tighten control later, you can come back to the same window and switch their role. With the correct role selected, copy the shareable link so it's easy to send in chat or email. Click Copy Link. This places the link on your clipboard. If your access is restricted, only the specific people you've set as editors will be able to open the file through that link. That keeps your sheet secure while still making it convenient to distribute. If you're sharing with a larger group inside your organization, the same link will still work, provided those people are granted the right access in this window. Once the link is copied and the access is set, click Done. That closes the sharing window and locks in your settings. At this point, you can paste the link wherever your team communicates. As collaborators join, you'll see their cursors moving in real time and cell updates appearing instantly. To keep everyone aligned, use comments to ask questions or assign follow-ups without changing cell contents, and remember that version history lets you review or restore earlier snapshots if anything goes off track. Share thoughtfully, keep editor access to the people who truly need it, and you'll have a smooth, secure, real-time workflow in Google Sheets.